Hello guys, here I am again to show you my unboxing and review for this product. I bought a face mask that is washable because it's more affordable than those with disposable face mask. So I recommend that you have to wear a face mask that is washable so that you can use it and just wash and use it again. Unlike those disposable, it is more, you spend more money on that disposable face mask. So I'd rather use this washable one. This is only 850 pesos for one face mask. It has several colors, but I choose black because it's more beautiful to wear. So the quantity is 166.13 pesos together with the shipping fee. So if you can see, I have here, it has a very beautiful plastic they put it in a plastic, so beautiful plastic. You can open it here. Even the plastic is fashionable. Okay, I can show you one of this one. This is one. So beautiful. There. So you can see, this is the, you can put your ear here. This is the face mask. So cute. It's made of cloth. And it is stretchable, guys. So like and subscribe, more reviews and more products to unbox. Thank you. Hi. Hello guys, that is the face mask. So cute. Hi, like and subscribe.